Not
Come on,
asking
Judge.
and not
I think
without
you know how to
$5.
change your windshield wipers.
Yeah, that's true. That is something that I've learned how to do and forgot many times over. Hey, speaking of the monsoon, which is the seasonal shift here in the desert Southwest, where we tap into moisture either from the Gulf of Mexico or from the Baja down to our south. You can already check out, though, about 250 miles away in eastern Arizona, those are monsoon-type storms, and we do think that that trend for them drifting east to west toward us will continue, and that, hey, perhaps as early as late Friday afternoon, we could see one or two isolated showers. First time in a long time that I've been able to show you any little blips of green here on Futurecast, which would suggest a rain chance. Rain is most likely to form over elevated terrain. Mountains. So tomorrow late afternoon, the mountains down south of Henderson, or perhaps the Spring Mountains to our west, or perhaps the Sheep Range up to our north would be the favored locations for little showers to pop up, and then they would continue to drift off to the west. So I'm not overwhelmed or overly impressed with the chance of showers in the Las Vegas Valley late Friday. That said, fast forward to Saturday, the gray is cloud cover and certainly more clouds than sunshine from late Friday through the weekend, which will suppress our weekend temperatures and keep them down a little bit. As we head into Saturday afternoon, that's not just a little blip of green here or there. That's a decent amount of coverage shower-wise and storm-wise on Futurecast, and we're also going to have to mention the possibility of a few lightning strikes as we slide through the weekend. Now, as we head into Saturday evening, this would be pretty impressive if we did have a couple different waves of some showers, but I do think that the chance of some rain, some wet weather, first time in a long time here in the valley, is going to be a big part of the weekend forecast. Today, hey, it's still a dry heat out there, and the heat is living up to its end of the bargain. 98 right now at McCarran, not even lunchtime, and we're almost at 100 degrees. We will see a high of 108 this afternoon in Las Vegas with plenty of sunshine, maybe a little haze from some of that wildfire smoke down in the Baja in Mexico, a little ozone in the atmosphere, but a lot of sunshine and plenty of warmth. Doing anything outside today with that sun, you'll need to be cautious. Excessive heat warning is with us tomorrow, and that is because temperatures tomorrow will get hotter and surpass 110 degrees, so it's really extra important to hydrate and take cool breaks inside in the air conditioning over the next few days, especially tomorrow. Low medium pollen levels right on into the weekend. Here's the 7-day planner. An isolated storm chance late Friday, more likely into the weekend. Dana, even though temperatures will drop closer to 105 this weekend because of the increase in the humidity, it's still going to feel really, really hot, and we'll keep that chance of an isolated storm going into early next week.